Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vegas. Today we are taking your Windows 11 start menu to the next level, something new, fresh and elegant. With the power of Windhawk, we will completely restyle your start menu and give it a premium modern look that stand out from default design. So if you are bored of same old start menu, it's time to transform into something truly unique. Let's jump into the video and make your Windows 11 default start menu and taskbar look stunning. In this tutorial, I am going to show you that how to install this cool start menu on Windows 11 computer. First, you have to download and install this software called Windhawk. Just go to its official website and download it. It's pretty easy to install. Just few click, it will be installed. Now you will see an interface like this. You have to install some mods. Just click on browse for mods, and first we have to install this mods called Windows Taskbar Styler. Just go to details and click on install and then click on install. Taskbar mods has been installed. Now unzip this start menu folder and open this folder and then open this folder, and in here you can see taskbar mods style. Double click to open it and copy this code and then go to this advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. So start menu style has been changed. Now we have to install another mods called taskbar height and icon size. Just click on details and then click on install and then click on install. Okay, mod has been installed. Now go to this folder again and open this taskbar icon and size and copy this code and then go to this advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, now we need to install the start menu styler. Here you can see Windows 11 start menu styler. Click on details and then click on install and then click on install. And then go to this folder again, and here you can see the start menu mods style. Just copy this code and copy it and go to advanced tab and then paste it here and then click on save. Okay, if you see a error like this, just don't worry, just click on start menu again and it will be fixed. And that's it. That's how you can change your Windows 11 default start menu to something fresh, something new. You can try this start menu. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.